All right. This is just how to use AssetRipper for Puck. It's not too complicated, but this is how you can dump all the assets in the game, all the textures, all the models, all the sounds, spots, all that. So you can download AssetRipper. I'll put the link in the. I'll pull it up. I think it's this. Let me make sure. Yeah. So you come onto the link. You go to the releases here, and we can see that this is the most recent one. And then you just download Windows x64. That'll get you a zip file like this, and then you can extract that. And I've already got that in here. So this is just that extracted zip. And then once you have that, you can run the AssetRipper GUI.free. And if you don't have file extensions on, I recommend turning it on because it makes following tutorials like this a lot easier. So then once you run it, it'll open this little console window. It'll also open your browser. You do everything in the browser. So I'm gonna open folder here, and that opens this thing which didn't really pop up, but what you're gonna do after you file open folder is go find your puck folder. So mine's in like C, program files, x64, I think, Steam apps, common, and then puck. I'm just gonna open puck, and then it'll load puck in. Yeah, and then now I can click the green reloaded files. So here you could click on like shared assets 2 and go find like one of these textures and view it. That's the normal map for the ice, but what we really want to do is just be able to dump all this so we don't have to click through it. So I'm going to click export all files. I'm going to select a folder. It's going to add another pop-up window here. I'm going to go back in here and I'm going to type B185 full dump. Select that folder, and I'm going to do export primary content. And you can see here it's dumping every single thing in the game. It'll take a second to do this because it has to pull it out of all the files. So I'll give it a second. I'd recommend doing this on a vanilla build of the game, not one you've modified already, because then it's just going to pull out the stuff you've modified. Mine is modified a little bit, but now, so this is the directory I chose for it to export to, so I'm going to open that up. You should have 3 folders here: assemblies, assets, and scripts. Assets has all the fun stuff, so like texture 2D here has all of the textures in the game, so you don't have to pull these out with like UABE. So like if I go to like hockey rink, like this is my ice that I had put in with UABE. I have like my modified stick in here somewhere. Yeah, this one. You also get the meshes, so you get all of the different like mustaches and colliders and all that. These combined meshes are what the levels are made up of, because in Unity, if the developer like marks the meshes as static, then they kind of get batched together, so all the level ones are batched to reduce like the rendering stuff of it. You also have like the audio clips that are probably OGG files, yeah. So you have like the goalposts and the hurt sounds and notification, and you also have the fonts that are in the game, and yeah, and you have the video and the training, what is that, changing room. So then you can just close this, close that, and you're good. And that's, you'll have to repeat this for every like version of the game to get the new assets, like going from 171 to 174, all the texture formats change, so you had to dump again, but that's how you do it.